I'm Global Head of E-Discovery Management at Swiss Re, which means I oversee all aspects of Swiss Re's e-discovery across all of our continents on which we do business. The main challenge that I see is the proliferation of both data and data sources. Data is growing exponentially, both within Swiss Re and outside, as are data sources. Years ago we weren't dealing with SharePoint sites. There are data sources that I'm sure are being developed right now that I have no idea what they are, but will be using in the near future. And I think that this challenge underscores the need to have a tool in-house in order to manage all of this data. Recomind's tool is really an integral part of our team's daily work. Most of our workflow in dealing with data is on the Recommind platform. And when you think about the entire EDRM model, we are able to leverage the tool, starting really with the early case assessment in getting the information that the Merits Counsel and in-house claims handlers need to know to assess their claim, through to the closeout of a matter and every step in between. So when I have to talk to my business people or my in-house litigators and they ask about predictive coding, because it really is a buzzword within the e-discovery world, and it's a panel discussion at every conference, but a lot of people don't really understand it. And I use the analogy of some of the internet music sites such as Spotify or Pandora. And when you choose one of these sites, you tell the Pandora that you like a particular song or you like a particular artist, and then the software then tries to go out and seek other artists that you may like based upon that original artist. And you also say that you don't like certain artists, and the tools use that to find the music that you would most like. And predictive coding really does that same thing for us in-house. We're able to say this document is responsive, and based on that, Recommind is able to return documents that are also likely to be responsive. And we're able to tell the tool that this document is unlikely to be responsive, and it does the same in lowering that document in the prioritization of review. This reminds me of when I was a baby attorney and we did document review by literally printing out emails and going through banker's boxes and first email, next email. And I think that that's how, in a couple years, we'll view linear review without using various aspects of TAR, or if you prefer CAR, computer-assisted review. Whether this is on a whole-scale basis of predictive coding, where you cut out manual review, or if you merely use predictive coding for prioritization of review to speed the process. In addition, I think that it makes a lot of sense to use the near duplication, the family email threading, and concept clustering to quality check your manual review to make sure that the manual reviewers are doing their job as accurately as possible. Because there have been numerous studies where manual review on its own is not accurate. So by combining manual review with the tools of a Recommind or another tool, you're really able to improve not only the efficiency, but the accuracy.